Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete a Discord server. First of all, launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to delete the Discord server, first of all, what you have to do is simply go to the server that you want to delete. At left, you'll be able to see all of your servers over here. Simply tap on the server that you would like to delete. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to access that particular server. At top you'll be able to see the server name. So what you have to do is simply tap on the name of the server. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options like boost, invite, notifications, settings, etc. Tap on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the server settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for settings, at first you'll be able to find this option for overview. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the options related with overview over here. What you have to do is simply scroll down. At bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find this option for delete server. What you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option, yes, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that particular server has been deleted. So that is how you delete a Discord server. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.